So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we're back with yet another cetane fueled matchup between two rapid German ice cap melting carcinogenic powerhouses. Today it's Audi versus BMW tuned diesel edition, and it's gonna be sick, so stay tuned and let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. Yo guys, just imagine pulling up in this bad boy 1300 brake horsepower ES 1100 tuned 911 Turbo S. Well, now you can. £2.49 could win you my pride and joy. I can't even believe I'm doing it, but I'm doing it. This has got to be one of the greatest car giveaways so far to hit the UK. Over £100,000 worth of modifications in this car, 80 grand alone on the engine and drivetrain. Guys, don't miss your opportunity. And if you don't want the car, £100,000 tax-free cash alternative. That's life-changing money. Dream car, life-changing money. It's up to you. All I would say is be quick, because tickets are not going to hang around for long. Check out Level Up giveaways, and whoever wins this, thank me later. So welcome back once again to the OG battles, where we step up and let our cars do the talking. And today, it's an all-diesel affair between two tuned, notorious all-wheel drive oil burners. It's the legendary 435D X-Drive versus the mighty A6 3-litre by TDI Quattro. And in partnership with RACELOGIC, we're going to be carrying out two sets of races. First up today, it's a quarter-mile roll race. Next up, it's a drag race to the quarter-mile. All races are best of 3, and the VBOX Performance Box Touch will be recording data such as 0 to 60s, quarter-mile times, and more to give you guys the stats on how these cars perform. Let's get over and meet the cars and their owners. So first up today, welcoming AUDRIUS back to the channel, repping for Team Diesel Audi with his crazy 550 brake horsepower, 1000 Newton meter, 3-litre V6 bi-turbo powered Audi A6 Allroad, built by AUDRIUS Power and Povolis at Prap Autos and tuned by Atanas from Radef's Garage. Modifications include twin-turbo custom hybrid turbos, an SQ7 fuel pump shaft upgrade, a Wagner competition intercooler, 2-litre bi-TDI injectors and 2700 bar rail sensor, methanol injection, a 90mm downpipe and an RS6 intake. The Allroad's running on PS4S street tyres and has actually been weighed in at a super heavyweight 2100 kg, giving it a power to weight ratio of 261 brake horsepower per tonne. The A6 drives all 4 of its wheels via its tuned ZF8 speed traditional auto transmission and Quattro drivetrain. And he's going to be stepping up against and welcoming back Ryan from DARKSIDE Developments to the battles, repping for Team Diesel BMW in a customer's 424 brake horsepower, 936 Newton meter, 3-litre inline-6 twin-turbo powered BMW 435D X-Drive. Modifications include DARKSIDE Stage 1 hybrid turbos, a 3-inch DPF delete downpipe and custom exhaust system, an EGR cooler delete kit, a DARKSIDE front mount intercooler, an aluminium swirl flap delete kit, and a custom gearbox and engine tune by DARKSIDE Developments. The 435D is running on Michelin PS4S street tyres all round and weighs in at 470 kg lighter than the A6 at 1625 kg. However, has an almost identical power to weight ratio of 260 brake horsepower per tonne. The BMW drives all 4 of its wheels via its ZF8 speed traditional auto torque converter transmission and X-Drive drivetrain. AUDRIUS, welcome back to the channel, mate.
Hello, Jamie.
Mate, you're here with a diesel today.
Yeah, I'm back.
You're back with a very powerful diesel. Now, today's race isn't the race that was actually meant to happen. We did have something set up that I won't talk too much about because we might still be able to make happen in the future.
I hope so.
However, it's a diesel versus diesel race today, a 435D versus an Allroad, which is a 3-litre TDI, right?
BMW is Audi.
There you go, there you go. Now, obviously, you have the power advantage, but also you've got a weight disadvantage.
Yes, 2,100 kilograms.
So it's a heavy car.
Yeah.
How do you reckon a day is going to go?
I think roll race will be very even. And because today is dump truck and I have more weight, the launch should be better on my side.
Okay, interesting. Obviously, floors
We're
are a bit
running
damp.
same tires.
Okay.
To get
so you're on level pegging in that?
So we will see.
Yeah. Are you confident now?
Oh yes.
Okay, that's what we want, Audrius.
It's my tow car, so.
It's the tow car, and he's out racing. Well, listen, bro. Whatever happens today, have a good day, and let's race.
Let's race.
Ryan, welcome to the channel, mate.
Thank you for inviting us.
My pleasure. So today is a bit of an improvised race. This race wasn't meant to happen, but from talking to the guys, this is actually going to be quite a cool race, right?
Yeah, I think sort of twin turbo Audi versus twin turbo BMW, that's the race everybody wants to know what happens and how it's going to go down.
Yeah. Well, look, we've got two four-wheel drive cars, granted not the same weights. I think this is quite a bit lighter, but it's down on power, right?
Yeah, I think the Audi should be 500 or so. This is like 450s. There's a few hundred kilos difference in them, I'm sure. I'm not sure on exact weights, but maybe we could find that later.
Yeah, of course.
But yeah, I think we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
That's all we can do.
What I like to ask people is the expectations when it comes to the quarter-mile drag race and the quarter-mile roll race. Just, what do you reckon is going to happen?
Should we get big talk or...
Give it a big one!
Get it bigger. We're going to win.
There we go!
No, I'm not sure. I think either. I think it'll be close. I think it'll be closer than we think. It'll be close.
Okay, cool. Well, listen, whatever happens, we're here to have a good day for the love of it, and let's race.
Yeah, sweet.
And today, and as usual, they're going to be battling it out for the Sugarcoat Cup and a full set of its ultra-effective, super sweet-smelling ceramic waterless washes. And first up today is the roll races. But before that, let's hear what they sound like. And of course, it's perfect driving weather today. A beautiful day in England with fog causing absolute zero visibility just to add an extra danger factor. The idea for the rolls is for both cars to roll together at an agreed speed. The left car sets the pace, and as soon as they hit the start marker, it's go time. Place your bets.
Bye-bye.
And AUDRIUS well and truly gets the party started, giving the 435D a big old bus lengths gapperoni. It's one to the Audi, let's line them back up and see if anything changes.
That was neck and neck. I want to say Audi won that by like a bumper, but it's hard to say for sure without looking back at the footage.
Audi win.
And that time, Ryan came back fighting. However, in an ultra close run to the line, the A6 still manages to just beat the 435D by around half a car length. So, taking a deeper dive into the car's performances and the 100 to 200 kph times during the rolls using the VBOX PBTs, the Audi A6 goes fastest 100 to 200 in just 9.72 seconds. And not too far off pace, the 435D goes 100 to 200 kph in a time of 10.24 seconds. That's data to back up the results. And round one goes to AUDRIUS and the Audi fanboys. Next up is the drag races. Place your bets.
1 car length.
And the mighty 435D pulls one back for the Bimmer boys, beating the A6 to the line by around 2 car lengths. Let's line them back up and go again.
Gearbox decided not to change gear for some reason, they misshift.
And after a strong start from the 435D, Ryan hits a big shifting issue and the A6 walks away, beating him by a train length. It's 1-1, let's line them back up for a decider.
Nothing, but still win.
And the mighty family wagon takes it home for the Audi fanboys, beating the 435D to the line by around 2 car lengths. And that was all she wrote. So let's take a quick look at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved by the cars during the races. The boys run rapid and incredibly close 0 to 60 times. However, the Audi just gets the edge, hitting 60 in just 3.51 seconds. The BMW right behind him runs a 0 to 60 of 3.54 seconds. However, neither car quite quick enough to chart with the big boys on the leaderboard. Then taking a look at the fastest quarter mile times achieved, once again, the pair run ridiculously close times, with the BMW just proving the fastest of the two this time, running a quarter mile in 11.869 seconds at a speed of 116 miles per hour. The reason I use an additional decimal point there was because the A6 runs an incredible 0.02 of a second slower at 11.871 seconds, but a slightly higher trap speed of 117 miles per hour. Insanely close times. However, once again, neither car quite quick enough to make it onto the board. And both rounds go to AUDRIUS and the mighty A6 ALLROAD. He lifts the Sugarcoat Cup and takes home a full set of Sugarcoat Sweet Ceramic Waterless Washes. Congratulations, bro. So today started with 2 almost perfectly matched power to weight ratios and ended in a result that pretty much echoed how well matched these 2 cars actually were. The A6 just proved to have the edge on the rolls. However, I'm adamant that on the drag races, it was simply whoever has the quickest reaction time wins the race. The times were almost identical and very impressive given the conditions. So guys, let me know in the comments if the races worked out the way you expected them to, and what team you're on, Team BMW or Team Audi, and of course, which one of the 2 you'd prefer and why. Also, don't forget you can save 20% off the whole Sugarcoat product range by using my unique code OG20. Links can be found down below in the description. Go on, treat your car. Also, on top of that, don't forget you can now win my 1300 brake horsepower capable 911 Turbo S for just £2.49 or a £100,000 cash alternative. If there's still tickets, go and grab one. And links for the draw can also, of course, be found down below in the description. And guys, if you have enjoyed today's races, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss another battle by smashing that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same time, same place, with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.